The S7 is equipped with Huawei's high-end intelligent driving system, which adopts end-to-end humanoid architecture and uses 1 lidar, 3mm wave radar, 12 ultrasonic radar and 11 high-definition cameras along the entire road. The detection covers the scenarios of achieving 360 degrees full coverage and calmly dealing with various road conditions. The use of high-strength steel, submarine-grade hot-formed steel and aluminum alloy in the body is up to 85.4%. It has double anti-collision beams, aluminum alloy side sills, integrated hot-formed steel door rings and lattice structure safety body meet the C-NCAP 5-star crash safety standards and the China Insurance Research Institute crash safety requirements, as well as rollover tests and other tests beyond the standards. The omni-directional collision prevention system consists of forward, side and rear active safety systems. It can actively brake and actively correct deviations and avoid dangers in various road conditions, making your driving safer.